Ever wondered if there's a system that could make anyone rich on YouTube even if they don't have a single subscriber? Well, you're about to find out. Meet 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, the woman who built a system so powerful that it helped over 1,000 ordinary people earn their first 5-figure month online. She's even generated over $24 million using this system. And get this, one dog trainer raked in $40,000 in a month by following her steps. No following, no fame, just results. In today's video, I'll break down her entire process, so you can learn how to come up with your own idea, sell it, and make serious cash online, starting right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. To create a system that truly brings financial success to YouTubers, you must first figure out what people are eager to buy. This boils down to two questions: what to create and what the content should be. Step 1. What to create. Start by considering what kind of product or service will provide both freedom and financial security. The goal is to work online and have the flexibility to live life on your terms. This means choosing something scalable that can consistently meet income goals. While low-ticket memberships or pre-recorded courses often struggle to deliver results or maintain engagement, creating a hybrid program hits the sweet spot. This system combines the scalability of pre-recorded lessons, the community building of memberships, and the personalized support of coaching. It's structured to allow you to achieve high-ticket earnings, establish yourself as an authority in your niche, and deliver powerful results to clients, all without the hassle of constantly launching or trading time for money. Step 2. What's the content? Now, the magic lies in defining the content. Focus on the transformation your program offers. This isn't just about teaching a skill, like growing on Instagram. It's about where your clients are when they start and the incredible change they experience by the end. A successful program tackles obstacles you've already mastered, providing clients with both the tools and support they need to succeed. This hybrid system is designed to not only make an impact but also thrive, even if you're starting with zero audience. By delivering real results and fostering engagement, this system can take any YouTuber to the next level of success. Why would anyone buy from you? It's natural to question why someone would purchase something from you, especially when you're just starting out. Building confidence is key, and it's something that most entrepreneurs struggle with initially. The fear of selling before knowing if people will even be interested can be overwhelming. But here's the thing: success begins way before you start selling anything. To overcome this hurdle, there are crucial steps that help align both marketing strategy and personal confidence. One major element is understanding your ideal client and pinpointing the exact moment in their journey where you can offer transformation. Focusing on a single, specific type of client and transformation allows you to design an efficient, tailored program, ensuring it meets the needs of every client effectively. This approach reduces unnecessary complexity, streamlines your work, and allows you to deliver real results consistently. Step 1. Focus on transformation. Your first task is to identify a very specific client, someone who fits perfectly with your offer. For example, if you're targeting YouTubers focused on educational content, determine where they are in their journey and the transformation they seek. This clarity will allow you to create a focused and scalable program that solves their exact problems. A streamlined curriculum means fewer questions, less confusion, and ultimately, fewer headaches. Step 2. Mastering market research. Once you've defined your target, the next step is to validate that your transformation idea is not only valuable to you but also to your potential clients. This is where market research shines. It's essential to truly listen to your audience. By doing so, you'll gather critical insights on everything from their pain points to how much they're willing to invest in solving them. Engage with your audience without selling them anything up front. Ask questions, understand their needs, and position yourself as a trusted expert. You'll be amazed at how eager people are to talk about their struggles, and before long, they'll be asking how they can work with you even if you haven't started selling yet. Step 3. Build a time machine. Now that you know what to create, how do you make people eager to buy it? Think of the biggest brands like Amazon and Netflix. They save people time. That's what you need to do. Your clients are in pain, and they want a solution as quickly as possible. However, most experts make the mistake of overwhelming their audience by dumping all their knowledge into a course. Instead, design a streamlined, efficient system, a time machine of sorts that guides your clients from where they are to where they want to be, without unnecessary detours. Build the curriculum first, keeping it lean and effective, but don't create the entire course yet. Pre-sell it to ensure there's demand, and tweak it based on feedback. This way, you save time and deliver exactly what your audience needs. Step 4. Sell your offer. Let's talk sales. You've already got hot leads, people eager to buy from you. A pre-sale is your best strategy here. The magic of a pre-sale lies in built-in marketing principles: scarcity, urgency, and exclusivity. By offering a limited time opportunity to work with you live as a founding member, your clients will jump at the chance to join. Not only do they get personal access, but they also receive a discount, boosting your chances of converting leads into sales. After this, you'll run a short revenue race, launching your offer and delivering it live while collecting real-time feedback. The result? Confidence in selling, immediate cash flow, and client success stories to market your program in the future. Step 5. Deliver your offer. Once your clients are on board, it's time to deliver the goods. Instead of stressing over tech platforms, focus on delivering results. For the next several weeks, host live sessions where you teach, answer questions, and support your clients. This real-time interaction allows you to adjust your course as needed and ensure your clients succeed. Afterward, you can refine your materials, optimize your funnels, and create a polished, scalable version of your program. Most people do this backward, wasting time and resources up front without knowing what works. By doing it this way, you ensure you're offering exactly what your clients need and delivering massive value. What if you're looking for something even more passive? Sure, stocks can generate income without much effort, but if you're aiming to create a passive income stream like YouTube, you'll still need to put in some upfront work. Recording, uploading, and launching your content all require initial effort. But here's the catch: instead of repeating the process multiple times, this system allows you to streamline everything. Address any curriculum issues up front, refine your messaging, and continuously optimize as you receive feedback. The goal is to solve problems as they arise so you don't have to start from scratch every time. How to boost your sales and build an empire. You've figured out what your audience craves, captured their interest, and delivered your first round of sales. But how do you amplify this success? The secret lies in 3 powerful elements: trust, proof, and value. First, build trust by nailing your messaging. Your content should make people think, "This is exactly what I need." Second, showcase real client results as proof of your product's effectiveness. And third, emphasize the value of your offering by highlighting the transformation it delivers. When these elements align, your course practically sells itself. But that's not all. Attracting more clients means growing your email list. While social media is great, it's like building on borrowed land. To truly scale, you need an email list that's yours and yours alone. What if you don't want to sell? For those hesitant about selling, it's time to ask yourself, why? If you don't want to work with clients or feel uncomfortable with the idea, maybe online education isn't for you. Selling frees up your time, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Imagine being able to connect with clients, feeling energized by their wins, and seeing your business flourish. The more your business grows, the more opportunities you'll have to hire assistants, take breaks, and build a legacy that outlasts you. Worried about high-ticket offers? If selling high-ticket offers feels intimidating, here's the truth: starting with low-priced products might delay your success by years. Why struggle to sell a $10 course to thousands when you can achieve the same income with just a couple of premium clients? Business isn't complicated. It's about understanding your audience, repeating what works, and scaling efficiently. And with the power of YouTube and evergreen content, you can have a system that works for you 24/7, bringing in sales while you sleep. If Lou Levy's system can help a dog trainer make $40,000, imagine what it could do for you. Now's the time to get started. And if you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with more tips and insider secrets that could change your life. See you in the next video.